Hey, hi everyone. Today's video is regarding comparison of Gen AI offerings from top cloud providers like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Recently, I have added this post in medium.com. I will share this link with all of you. So, what we are seeing recently is very huge rise in generative AI space from all our cloud providers like AWS, GCP, and Microsoft. They engaged a lot in this space. Okay, and it needs huge, massive power and large data sets, which makes the public cloud an ideal platform choice. Okay, so and for the main agenda of this particular post is to comparing the pricing, comparing the different types of uh, advantages, disadvantages, the model comparison. By I have put a lot of math capability checks. Then I have added a complex math capability check, then coding capabilities. Also, I have put, I gave a book to read to each of this Gen AI and ask for a summary of that book. So these are the comparison I have done. So first, I will be covering the pricing part. Okay, the pricing part for Amazon, we use majorly uh, Amazon Bedrock Claude. So Amazon Bedrock Claude's pricing is 0.024 per thousand input tokens, and for Jurassic it is 0.0125 per thousand tokens. For OpenAI, for Azure OpenAI, we use Ada, Babbage, Curie, DaVinci, Cushman, ChatGPT 3.5. We all are aware. Okay, so ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo, it is zero point 0.002 per thousand input tokens, and for Vertex AI, it is the Text Bison. It is 0.0010. Okay, and Chat Bison, it is 0.0005. Okay, so this is the pricing comparison on based on per thousand tokens if we pass to the this Gen AIs. What are the pros and cons? First, AI platform Vertex AI. The the pros is as we all know, means it gets integrated with GCP ecosystem. It is scalable in infrastructure, user-friendly interface, and intuitive tools, grounding and embedding for accurate understanding, fast and scalable search through vector search. Okay, the cons are limited range of pre-trained LLM models. So for Vertex AI, it is a very limited range of pre-trained LLM models. So the data which we are going to which is getting trained with our data set, that is very limited. Pricing based on input or output response sizes, specific dependencies on Google Cloud ecosystem. Then Azure OpenAI, it is multiple variant of GPT models. We get a lot of different types of GPT models in OpenAI. Tight integration with Microsoft Azure. Okay, so integration with Microsoft Azure, we cannot use it outside any other cloud offerings. Okay. Access to OpenAI models backed by Azure's infrastructure. The cons are cost and complexity related to tokenization, pricing variation based on usage type, choosing the most appropriate GPT variants requires consideration of specific requirement, dependency on Azure cloud platform. For AWS Bedrock, diverse foundation models for various use cases, seamless integration with AWS services. Uh, the cons are early access waitlist and undisclosed pricing. Performance comparison with other LLMs not provided. So these are the basic pros and cons which I have listed down for all these three different clouds. And now I will be coming to checking math compatibility. So I started with very basic uh, means question, that is what are the factors of 48? Okay. I have done with AWS Bedrock A121 Labs Jurassic 2 Ultra, because that time I was not having access to Claude, so I started with Jurassic. So for particularly AWS Bedrock Claude, you need to get the access. Okay, so let me show it here. So if we open the Bedrock here and go to Claude 2, open on playground. I have already having this access, but if you are using it first time, you need to raise for access, request for model access. Okay. So yeah, when I pass this question to Jurassic 2 Ultra, it gives me a wrong answer. Strangely, Bedrock A121 Labs Jurassic 2 Ultra, the results of factor of 48 came as wrong. As seen in below screenshot, 16 and 24 is missing. So for 48, uh, the actual answer should be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and 48. But here, after 12, it is 48. OpenAI GPT, it gives me a correct answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. GCP also given me a correct answer. Chat AI, Chat Bison, Vertex AI. It gives all 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and 48. Now coming to a complex mathematical problem. So this is a very common mathematical problem in our plus 2 levels. If P not A 0.7, PB is equal to 0.7, and PB by A is equal to 0.5, then find P A by B. Okay, so this is the expected solution, and Bedrock A121 lab, it gives a incomplete solution. It actually breaks the question. Okay, and finally the answer is given incomplete here. GCP, it has given a wrong answer. It is supposed to be 0.85. GCP, it gives 0.57. Azure OpenAI also, it has given a wrong answer. It is given 0.214. The actual answer should be 0.87. So complex mathematical problems I see in all these three OpenAIs, all these three Gen AIs, they have not given a very good answer in that. Now coming to the coding capabilities. For coding capabilities, I see all these three Gen AIs they passed. Okay, so I have given a very simple Java code, and I asked to convert it to into Python. Okay, so this is a binary search code which is written in Java, and the correct or ideal Python implementation of this code should be like this. and I see that for AWS Bedrock also it has given me a uh, correct conversion. Same with Azure OpenAI, it has given me a correct conversion. GCP also gave me a correct conversion here. Now this is book summarization. So there is Gen AI which is master on it. So Claude 2, it is a very good for taking a huge number of tokens, okay, and it able to you know read those words, each and every words, and ability to process them very fast, okay. And so to evaluate this capability, we conducted a test using a book, Quantum Physics for Dummies, which contained approximately 60,000 words and spanned 338 pages. The instructed Claude with the prompt as followed. So this was my question to Claude. You are an expert in writing summaries. Read the book provided below and write a summary. So this is the book name I have given, Quantum Physics for Dummies, and it gives a this kind of summary to me. You are Yeah, Quantum Physics for Dummies is a book that provides an introduction to quantum physics for non-scientists. It covers topics such as wave, particle, quality, uncertainty, principle, and so on. Okay, so GCP, it does really good. It actually summarized in better way. Okay, quantum physics is the study of behavior and matter and energy, and it also gives me some points, key points, which this book has covered a lot. Okay, so Azure OpenAI failed in this because it only accepts 32,000 tokens at a time, and it roughly equivalent to 24,000 words. Okay, so yeah, here it throws an error, token limit error. The input token exceeded the maximum allowed by the model. Please reduce the number of input token to continue. Refer to the token count in the parameters panel for more details. So this is how when so book summarization. Yes, I get a better outcome from AWS Claude and AWS Jurassic. So let's see the AWS Claude uh, analysis now only. I'll write this question. So you see that how quickly it has given me the summarization of this book. Let me copy this. Let me copy it here. In any Okay, so it has given. Unfortunately, I do not have access to the full text of the book Quantum Physics for Dummies. However, here is a brief summary of what the book may cover based on the title. Okay, so quantum physics is a branch of physics that deals with the behavior of matter and energy and subatomic levels. So this is where Claude is uh, Claude differs from the other Gen AIs because it has a huge pre-trained LLM model within its own. So it also able to give some key summary points here. The book probably aims to make this complex and counterintuitive concept more accessible to lay readers by using analogy, thought experiment diagrams. Yeah. Okay. So now move to the performance comparison which we did, right? The mathematical comparison, and then coding comparison, coding ability test, then finally this book summarization test what we did. So we come up with the summary of it. Okay. For AWS Bedrock, Claude 2 to 100K provided an incorrect answer to a simple differential equation question, but gave correct answers to simple algebra and number series questions. Okay, this is for the math skills. GPT 4 to 32K provided correct answer to factorial algebra and number series, but failed to answer correctly for differential equation. GCP Vertex AI provided correct answer to factorial algebra and number series, but failed to answer correctly for differential equation. So overall, I see that means all this Gen AIs, they fail to give the complex mathematical answer, but they able to give a basic algebra or number series answers. Coding abilities. Coding abilities, as I said, that all these three Gen AIs they passed, able to convert Java code to Python code properly. Book summarization. AWS Bedrock, as I mentioned, it is excellent for large database, a data set, and summarized answers. OpenAI token limit error for prompts. Token size exceeds 32K. So this is a big drawback on the OpenAI if we are using Azure OpenAI here. We have to restrict the data set up to 32K, able to for GCP Vertex AI, excellent for large data set and summarized answer. As I showed, it has given a very nice summarized answer with the key points in it. Dataset analysis, slow response time we see in the AWS Bedrock, faster response time in Azure OpenAI, GCP Vertex AI even slower than AWS Bedrock Claude 2. Okay, so at this dataset analysis, Azure OpenAI is way ahead from AWS Bedrock and Vertex AI. Overall summary, slight less performance than Azure OpenAI for AWS Bedrock. OpenAI, slight better performance than AWS Claude. GCP Vertex AI, slight better than AWS Claude 2, but lesser than Azure OpenAI. So this is again, I have given a little bit explanation on for code generation and code conversion, how which one performed well, book summarization which performed well, small document analysis, both model performs well similarly, all these things. So thank you for watching this video. The hope this article and this video covers your means comparison confusion on Gen AI by all different cloud providers. Thank you.